Right here, we have our switch panel, and you can see right here that boat outfitters put the LTD logo on this. We have all of our switches for everything on the boat, and they also did a cutout for the Fusion radio. And I have 2 USB plugs here and a 12-volt power socket right here. So this switch panel is attached to the dash with this little studs here, and they give you the whole kit for it. And all you gotta do is just screw them in, and they're all in place. You can see everyone is there. And then you tighten the nut in the back side of it. So it's really nice that the screws are not showing in the front, that it's completely flush. It's super, super nice that they send you this plywood template right here that you can use to make your cutouts. It has everything. So we have our USB plugs here, Fusion radio, all of our switches, and then it's gonna have the LTV logo right here. And it has the mounting holes because this switch panel does not have any exposed hardware, which makes it look really, really nice. I'm just making sure everything fits right now. Obviously, I would remove this protective paper before I install it. Does it fit? So now just line them all up before you push it nice and tight. Then that's it. You just push it in and tie them up in the back. On these, the kit that they send you, get extra studs. You get more of these mounting things to go on the back side if you need to put them somewhere else. You get washers and your nuts that go behind it. So nothing showing in the front at all. All right, so we're putting the washer and the nut here, and make sure you hand tight them, because otherwise you could crack the acrylic, and that obviously would be really, really bad. It's gonna be tight enough, I promise you. There it is. A template made that so much easier, just to be able to know where all the switches are, and even the radio, the built-in radio there, but everything fits